The pneumatic drill. Let me introduce you to the pneumatic drill. It still has a traditional pistol shape, except it's got a few major differences. This is actually air-powered, pneuma. It's the Greek word for breath or air. So this is your air inlet, and it has an air exhaust in this area right here. Any pneumatic tool is going to have where air comes in, and you're not going to use all of it, so it's going to spit it out somewhere. A lot of the nail guns and stuff have air exhaust at the top. And as all our rest of our drills, it still has a trigger, has a forward and reverse. It makes it a little easier because that F and R on this one. You got the handle and the grip area, and they're pretty small and pretty tight. This is just a basic size one. And this one has a keyless chuck on the front. It's just like our cordless drills that you spin in and out, but it's still got the traditional 3 little jaws. Moves it in and out. One of the major differences about this thing is it takes a little bit different use. You end up using some type of lubricating oil for any pneumatic tools. So most of the times at the end of maintenance, when you get finished with it, you put 2 or 3 drops in it for the next day or the beginning of the day. And literally what you would do is hold it over and put just a couple drops in the end, right in the air inlet. And the reason you do that, an air compressor, when it's building the air, is creating pressure. Creating pressure, releasing pressure. When it releases the pressure, it gets colder. And the humidity in the air condensates and it collects in the hose as it's coming out. So there's actually moisture coming out of this air into this tool. So the moisture is the enemy of this thing, because it has some metal parts and it has rubber parts in it. And if you get a lot of moisture up in there, it'll cause rust, and then that starts causing the rubber parts to crack, to scratch, cut, or crack them. So we use a little bit of lubricating oil on all of our pneumatic tools. The pneumatic drill.